Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the left side valve cover on a 5.3 engine. These vehicles are your Chevrolet Silverado and Tahoe, Suburban, on your GMC Yukon, Sierra, Cadillac Escalade, any vehicle that has a 5.3. We're going to change that left side valve cover. First, let's go ahead and take our cover off. We're just going to lift it straight up. Make sure that this rubber piece here and this rubber piece here come off with the cover. If they don't, take them off, slide them back into your cover. Very simple. All right, from here, what we want to do, disconnect all of our spark plugs. We're just going to grab it, give it a little twist, and pull straight down. This is going to disconnect our spark plug wires from the coil. Then we're going to disconnect our coil pack right here, main connector. Pull this plastic retainer out, lift up, slide out. And then we're going to take all of our pins off that are holding the coils down. Once we get all of our tins off, we're just going to grab the coil pack and slide it right off. From here, you got 4 8mm bolts in the PCV. On the PCV, we're just going to push the retainer back, lift it straight up. All right, from here, we're going to take our 4/8 out. You don't have to pull them all the way out, just loosen them all the way up. From there, we can grab our valve cover and pull, especially if it's hot. Let's grab something to loosen it up. Take this little screwdriver, pry it straight up. Once it breaks free, it'll come right out of the way. God, it's hot. The reason we're changing this valve cover is because the PCV actually has oil coming in on it underneath here, and it's fouling out the number 7 spark plug. So that's why we're changing this for PCV pullover. So we're going to take our new valve cover, make sure our gasket's on right. Once we got our gasket seated, we're going to go ahead and take it, sit it on, and start all of our 8s. We want to make sure we start them with our hand first. Make sure we don't cross thread them. All right, once we got them hand tight, start in the middle. Tighten them down. From there, what we can do is just tighten them up a little bit. If you want to torque them, the torque spec is 89 inch-pounds, but I just tighten them up and give them a 1/4 turn. Once we're done with that, we're going to take our PCV, put it back on. Now, like I said, the number 7 spark plug is fouled out, so we're going to go ahead and remove it. You have 1, 3, 5, and 7 on this side. 2, 4, 6, and 8 on the other side. So 7 is the back spark plug on this side. Take our spark plug socket, put on our spark plug, go ahead and remove our number 7 spark plug. And if you look in your spark plug, see if I can get this in both videos, you can see all the oil corrosion build up on the inside of that spark plug. That's what's causing it to foul out and give you a skip. Take our new pre-gap spark plug, go ahead and stick it in. Go ahead and tighten it down. Never use the air impact or an electric impact to put a spark plug in. You can crack the porcelain. Once we got that done, we're going to take our spark plug wire, put the spark plug wire back on, push until you hear it click. Once you hear it click, it's installed. Take our valve cover, put our valve cover on. Or not valve cover, our coil pack, I'm sorry. Take our coil pack, put our coil pack on. Once it sits down in place, you can feel it. Go ahead and start all of our tins. We got that done. We can tighten all of our tins down. Take our connector, reconnect it, put our retainer through, and hook all the wires back up. Let's take our spark plug wires, put on our coils. Again, push until you hear it click. From there, we can take and put our cover back on. Make sure you get underneath your heater core hoses on the passenger side. If you don't get underneath your heater core hoses on your passenger side, you will have a rattle. And you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit that follow button, like the video, and in case you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Now, I'm not the kind of guy that's going to ask you to like my video or subscribe to my channel. I'm the kind of guy that's going to beg you to do it. Click one of these other videos. Subscribe to my channel. It's on one of these sides. Do them both. Do them all.